Hi everyone, and welcome to this short little tutorial on how to make birch shampoo. Birch shampoo is a mild and easy way to wash your hair, and it makes you smell nice too, so that's an added bonus. And it's very simple to make. You only need two basic ingredients. The first one is birch lye. I've made another video on how to make birch lye. You can find the link to that one in the description below. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's an alkaline liquid that is very good to get rid of fat in your hair. If you don't have birch lye or you can't make it, you can make the shampoo with just water. It will just wash a little less good and you will need more of the shampoo. The other basic ingredient is birch leaves. I picked these fresh this morning. Birch leaves contain saponins, and saponins is nature's way of making soap. It's toxic and it protects the birch from, for example, insects. But people throughout the ages have used saponins to make their own soap. And we're going to use that as well. Be careful when you're picking birch leaves though, because you're picking leaves from a living plant, and if you pick too many from the same tree, the tree will die. And that's not what we want, of course. And on the other hand, always make sure that you have permission from the owner of the tree if you don't own the tree yourself. For example, in Sweden, it doesn't belong in allemansrätten, the thing that we have where you can just go into a forest and pick mushrooms and berries no matter who owns it. And so you can't pick leaves in the allemansrätten, you need permission of the owner. So you have your lye and you have your leaves. What do you do then? It's as simple as adding those two together. I'm using about 1.5 liters of lye because I want to make shampoo for the rest of the year. You can, of course, make as much or as little as you want to. So you grab your lye and your leaves, and you just put your leaves in there. You keep on putting leaves in until the entire liquid has been filled with leaves. This is a bit of a tedious process, so we'll fast forward. And there you have it. Make sure you pack down the leaves hard because you want as much of those saponins in your shampoo as possible. All birch species in Europe have saponins in their leaves. If you live on another continent, I can't guarantee you have as much saponins in your birches as we have, so you might need to experiment a little bit. But I guess, as all the birches here have it, it shouldn't be a problem though. Now, this mixture needs to sit for about 3 to 5 days, so that the lye and the saponins can do their work and become one. Again, it will be a very long tutorial if we're going to wait for all of that in real time, so we're going to fast forward that little bit as well. So, time to take a look at how this turned out. It's been standing for 5 days now, and all that's left is that we strain out the birch leaves and see if they've done their magic. So it's as simple as turning off the lid and pouring it through a strainer. Now I've packed the leaves really tightly when I put them in, so it will take a while before it's strained properly. The leaves will hold on to a lot of liquid. Just pull them out and wring them out. Don't be gentle. Violence is key here. Get all the leaves out of your jar. There. So. Now I can already smell that I've left this a little too long and the leaves have started fermenting. So it smells a little bit sour. That happens quite often, and that's no problem at all. Your shampoo will work just as fine. It just smells a bit iffy right now. There. Just let this stand on the plate and put it away. And there you have it. 2 liters of water turned into 1.5 liters of lye. That turned into, I'd say, about 1 liter of shampoo. It tastes, I don't know. It smells like forest and green. And as I said, this one smells a bit sour and off. But there is an easy way to resolve that. And that is to put in some ethereal oils. Now, I like musk smell in my shampoo. So on 1 liter, I just throw in a couple of drops, 5, maybe 10. Much better. And you can choose whatever smell you like. Even if it hasn't been fermenting and it already smells good, you can just buy these bottles online. It's very easy. You can also make them yourself. That's a bit harder, so I recommend you just buy them like I do. You can throw musk or peppermint or any fruit flavor, like orange scent or anything citrusy works really well in this shampoo. Now I store this in a really, really big jar. I of course don't have this jar in the shower. For that, I use these little smaller jars. This is 2.5 milliliters. And they have one of these lids that you can push open, and then just a little bit comes out. As you can see, this is still really runny. It's like water, basically. So I put this in my hair before I turn on the tap. That way I can keep a bit better track of where the shampoo has gotten in my hair already. Because if your hair is already wet, it's really hard to feel where it's done its magic. So that's everything you need to do and everything you need to know to make your own shampoo at home. I hope it was clear, and I hope it inspired you to try it for yourself. So good luck and enjoy.